spill ranges changed how every formula in Excel works. Understanding the hashtag and its operators is essential for anyone using Excel 365 or Excel 2024 Plus. When a formula returns multiple values, they spill into adjacent cells automatically. The spill range is the entire output area. If any cell in the spill range is occupied, you get a hashtag spill error. Append hashtag to a cell reference to capture the entire spill range. If A1 contains a filter formula that returns 10 rows, A1 hashtag references all 10 results. Use it in SUM, average, or any function that accepts ranges. The add operator forces a multi-value result to return a single value based on the formula's row or column position. Excel adds it automatically to legacy formulas to preserve backward compatibility. Spill errors occur when the output area isn't empty. I cover the 5 most common causes and fixes: merged cells, hidden content, table columns, array size mismatches, and volatile spill range conflicts. Hands-on demonstration of spill behavior, the hashtag reference, the add operator, and every type of spill error with its fix. I use real formulas so you can see exactly how modern Excel handles multi-value results. Understanding spill ranges is mandatory for modern Excel. Subscribe for more tutorials on the features that define Excel in 2026 and beyond.